Notarizations are happening all day, every day. My question is, are you the one doing the notarization? Are you the one making the money? And if you are not the one making the money, if you are not the one doing the notarization, then we got a problem. You need to learn how you can make the money. Okay? Because we've been talking about that too. What can you do with an extra $500-600 a month? Let's just say you didn't even do it full time. Okay? Let's just say you didn't even do it full time. You want to be a part-time notary. Okay? And heaven forbid we say the word side hustle, because y'all know I don't like that word. You good?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You want to go to this McDonald's?
Mm-hmm.
Or
yeah.
Okay. We about to get something to eat. So if y'all got any other questions, start dropping it. Oh, thank you, Tori. Tori says mentorship 100%. Thank you. I appreciate it. GG Solutions says, I'm listening while getting my kids dressed. My son doesn't feel well. Had to schedule a last minute doctor's appointment. I'm sorry. I hope he's feeling better soon. I hope he's feeling better soon. Sorry about that, babe. Big hugs, okay? Hopefully we still see you tonight. If not, you know you can catch the replay. All right. I hope he does feel better. I know that put a little monkey wrench in your day, didn't it? We got a couple more questions here. Sorry again. Sheila says, good morning. Does your course assist teach us in pricing? It covers everything you need, literally, Sheila, in your business. Even the $27 one has a pricing course, and the $47 one has everything. So just take your time and read the website, okay? Take your time and read the website. The descriptions for all the courses are there for the description of the courses and the 2 mentorship options, 27 or 47. Donna says, and we'd love to have you. Check it out, Sheila. Check it out. We're meeting tonight. Don't miss tonight. We're meeting at 7 p.m. Eastern. Tonight, again, is all about customer service. We'll start wrapping up, Jeff. I got a few more questions. Donna says, so have you had anyone from South Carolina in your mentorship program? Donna, we got South Carolina. We have North Carolina. A lot of Texas, Georgia, Arizona, California, Nevada, nationwide, literally. Nationwide. Okay. And South Carolina works a lot like Georgia. So you will be in good hands. Try it. Check it out. You ain't got nothing to lose but whatever it is you're not doing in your business. So sometimes people say, I can't afford membership. You can't afford not to. Not if you want to have a successful business. I'll tell you, somebody asked me, I won't say who because I might make a mistake, but I really don't remember. But somebody asked me in one of my comments, they said, hey, Kimmi, you give away so much information here on your YouTube channel. How much more could there be to learn in the mentorship? Well, that's a loaded question because we meet every week. We have been meeting for years. So there's a lot to learn in this business. Literally every week there's something new. Every week. I got a lot of the mentees here. And they can tell you every week we talk about a different topic. So there's a lot. But what somebody told me, and this is where I was going with that, she says, in mentorship, she joined and she says, Kimmi, I've been watching you for years on YouTube. And she said, and I learned a lot from you. She said, but I didn't have a business until I joined mentorship. Do you think your girl was about to cry right that second? Yes, I was overwhelmed. It touched me so much. She said, I was watching you for years, and you bring it. I got to get ready to wrap up. You got 2 minutes. I'm going to answer this last couple questions. Yeah, she was like, you bring it. But she said, I didn't have a business. Until I joined mentorship. That's what mentorship does for you. And our mentorship is not no whack mentorship. It's real mentorship. Every week, every day, we have a live chat that runs 7 days a week. 7 days a week. From like 9 in the morning until 11 at night, because we have a lot of people on the West Coast. Yeah, so, yeah. It's thebomb.com. Everybody says, it's worth so much more than what you charge. I know that. But we keep the price reasonable. That way, nobody left behind, And I'm of the mindset, we kind of share the expenses. I've used illustrations sometimes like with Jamaicans and Colombians and other races They have like this little kitty. I think somebody told me it's called So-So. And I think I said it wrong, but y'all know what I'm talking about. And everybody put in the kitty, and it kind of just helps everybody to be able to win. I remember when I first saw my friend do that, and she was taking money to her family's house. And I was like, why are you doing that? Oh, we have a family kitty. And a kitty is like putting money in a joint venture. And if I need it, I can go get it. If Jeffrey needed it, he can go get it. Or something like that. I'm looking around, Jeff. Are they kind of sorted or not? Maybe, okay. I just always like to look and see where I'm going. Let me get these last few questions. So yes, we have, and if there's not anyone in there right this second from South Carolina, it doesn't matter, because all of your documents are not going to come from South Carolina, and you are in an excellent notary community of like-minded people that's learning how to do it the right way. GG Solution says, I did a RON yesterday. It was an affidavit. Oh, cool. Look at you getting your RON on. Yes, I'm doing my part. Cool. Sheila, thanks. You're welcome. Brianna, hey Brianna, how are you? Brianna says, congrats on the RON. I haven't got any of those yet. Got quite a few shout outs, Gigi, about the RON. Congratulations. Tori says, a lot, especially the chat and assistant support in real time. Thank you, Tori. Tori, you coming through, girl. But it's true. So I can't make this stuff up if I wasn't really doing it, right? There's no way I can get on YouTube every day and talk about how great our mentorship is if we didn't actually deliver. Tori, thank you. It's just that my people are really shy. I say that all the time. So we did a whole thing. What was that, last week, Jeff? The success one?
Yes. Week before last.
Yeah, week before last. Go back and check that video out. It was nothing but successes. We did the whole session about successes. And I'll be doing more of that. Again, because I can't get them to come on YouTube. I got one or two that said they're going to join me, so I'll bring them on. But everybody else so shy, they won't come on YouTube. So I got to just get it where I can. But they're doing some amazing things. I'm proud of them. They really are. So me and Jeffrey have to go, y'all. We got to go eat us some breakfast. And it's excellent. Oh, thank you, S. Abdul. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I will see all of you guys that are part of mentorship tonight. Everyone else, we welcome you to come and join us. Check it out for yourself. Get in the club where it's happening, okay? Come in the room. Come in the room. All right. All things notary, check out notaryeducators.com. I also wanted to let you know really quick, because people always ask me too, if there's one course that you recommend I buy from you, what would it be? It would be Notarize Like a Pro. And I'm going to still do that Friday coupon code if you're watching this. And that's just my little gift to you for watching too. 70% off. Use coupon code Friday. Coupon code Friday if you want to buy a single course. Any of the courses, you can buy the single ones. Even the Apostille or the Estate/Trust, any of them. Coupon code is Friday. FRIDAY. And I had that coupon code for our email subscribers. So if you're not on the email list, get over there too, because we drop gems and tips on the email twice a week. Twice a week you can get tips for your business and special coupon codes. But I'm bringing that over here on YouTube. So coupon code is Friday. If you want to buy one course, Notarize Like a Pro would be the one that everybody needs to get started. Donna says, I'm very interested. We'll be tuning in this evening and looking at website. You have good energy. Oh, well, we appreciate it. I love when people say that. All right, guys. Well, on behalf of Notary Educators with Kimmi, I'm going to wish everyone much success. All right, Terry C. She said, you and Jeff have a blessed day. Tell Alexis hi and give your nephew a hug for me. Love you most. I will, Terry. Stay sweet out there in Michigan, too, girl. Represent. All right, Dito. All right, girl. Bye. Bye, Terry.
Bye, people.
Oh, Jeffrey, want to say bye?
Bye now.
All right. Bye, Terry C. Love you, baby.